storms tonight, no snow.
No.
What can we expect throughout the night?
I wish it was snow. That'd be way more
know.
fun to talk about. But not only is it rain, but unfortunately the worst has yet to arrive, because overnight, mainly after midnight, we could get some strong storms, even a severe storm or two. So you're taking a look outside. Look at that. Look at that mess. It's not just us. A lot of Florida has been getting soaked with us. Now a lot of South Georgia as well, into portions of Alabama. But here along the first coast, it is socked in with rain. We've seen a pocket or two of dry conditions every once in a while. Not right now. Everyone seeing rain out there. It's also windy. It's continuing to pick up over in these overnight hours. There's a 20-mile-per-hour wind right now at Mayport, 15 for St. Augustine, and then 13 over in Lake City. But we have stronger gusts up to 20 in Lake City, 20-mile-per-hour gusts clocked in St. Simon's Island. So we're watching for a couple of things. First and foremost, the heavy rain, that brings the risk of flooding. That is a high risk of heavy rain, and we do have risks of flooding. Then there's a medium risk of damaging wind. That's just straight line winds in these thunderstorms that can cause damage, that can make your trash can go flying. I am not worried about hail overnight tonight, but there is a low chance of a brief tornado as well, something else that we will be watching. But let's start with the rain and the flood threat overnight tonight. Widespread 2 to 4 inches of rain, but locally higher amounts possible, perhaps 6 inches, maybe even 7 inches, something we'll watch closely. Again, that could lead to ponding on the roadways, areas that have poor drainage. If your yard normally floods or your street, you're likely seeing it overnight into tomorrow morning. The flood watch goes until 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. And then we also have a wind advisory in effect now through 3 p.m. Sunday for that wind that's out there. 15 to 25 mile-per-hour winds, but gusts up to 45 mile-per-hour winds. So that means you have to secure your outdoor lightweight furniture, holiday decorations, trash cans. They can all become projectiles and go flying down the street, any of those lightweight objects. Also, this can knock out some tree limbs, and it could create a few power outages. Besides that, we're also watching the coastal flood advisory until 1 o'clock tomorrow. At times of high tide, we could get some coastal flooding around 2 feet above what the normal high tide level is. At the coast overnight, 40 to 50 mile-per-hour wind gusts, beach erosion also possible. Here's a look at the timing. So after midnight, notice that's when we think the worst of the weather will arrive to our southern counties, and it's going to move from south to north. So 1, 2 a.m. moving over places like Putnam. Notice how it moves north, and so we're talking 5 a.m., 6 a.m. for Metro Jacksonville towards Lake City, and then it continues to move north, finally clearing out of Georgia around 8, 9 a.m. We could see a few showers, but it looks like we're going to be drying out in time for the Jags game. The tailgate could maybe see a few showers, but during the game, you're really going to need to worry about the wind. Very windy and cooling down quickly. It will be a chilly work week ahead.